Doing this makes me feel like such a barista. I know that I'm not, but it makes me feel cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I hope you're having a great week. We are back with another Starbucks drink tutorial, drinks that you can make at home. You guys loved my last Starbucks video so much that you asked for another one, so here it is as promised. This is part 2. Last time we did 5 iced drinks that you can make at home. Today, we're gonna do 5 hot drinks that you can make at home. The way I've laid out this video is we're gonna do 2 coffee drinks, 2 tea drinks, and then 1 hot chocolate recipe. These were some of the most popular Starbucks drinks that were requested by you, and I am so excited to make them today. So if you're pumped about this video and you love Starbucks drinks, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. I just found out that 92% of the people that watch my YouTube videos are not subscribed. So hey, what are you waiting for? It's the easiest way that you can support your favorite creators, and it's free. So hit that subscribe button. We're about to jump into the video. Let's go. The first drink we're gonna make today is the white chocolate mocha. This drink is so yummy and I'm super excited to make it. We're gonna start with our milk. I am using this espresso machine. This is the Breville Bambino Plus. I will link it in the description below if you wanna check it out. But any kind of machine that makes espresso will work. If you don't have an espresso machine, you can also just make a really strong coffee. 2 shots of espresso is about 1/4 of a cup, and we learned that on the last video. Hey, it's 2 shots of espresso. Hey, you learn something new every day, ladies and gentlemen. So with all of these, there's always little tweaks that you can make. So if you don't have a certain ingredient, don't worry, there's always something that you can substitute for. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is do about 3/4 cup of milk. I've got a little line in here on my jug, so I'm just gonna fill it up to the line. And it works best if your milk is cold. They also recommend using full fat milk. You can also do coconut milk or almond milk if you prefer the alternatives, but if you want to get that really nice milk foam that they use on the lattes, whole milk is best. And then I'm just going to do about 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream to help it be nice and thick. All right, now I learned from my video last time that I'm not good at doing this backwards, so I'm just gonna flip my little espresso machine around here so I can see it. I'm gonna turn it on, put our little thingy in, I don't know what it's called, and hit go. Amazing. Okay, comment below if the white chocolate mocha is your favorite drink. And if I'm not making your favorite drink today, comment which drink is your favorite, because hey, we might even do a part 3 on this series. You guys seem to really like this, and I wanna make your favorite drinks at home. So make sure you comment your suggestions below. Our milk is looking mighty fine. I'll drop that down. Okay, now we gotta pull 2 shots of, excuse me, sir. Are you done? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna pull 2 shots of espresso. So we are going to use this coffee. I got this kind at Disney World. It's super yummy. Any coffee will work. Use our tamper to apply about 30 pounds of pressure. That looks good. Doing this makes me feel like such a barista. I know that I'm not, but it makes me feel cool. Okay, got our little cup and we're gonna pull 2 shots. Here she comes. Let me turn her around so you can see. Amazing. Okay, here we go. In our mug, we're gonna do just a little handful of white chocolate chips in the bottom, and these are gonna melt when we mix everything in. Now we're going to add about 1/4 cup of hot water into our mug. Then we're going to pour our espresso right on top of that. The chocolate chips are starting to melt. And then we are going to do 1 teaspoon of white mocha syrup. This was actually pretty easy to find at the store. I was thinking I was gonna have a hard time finding it, but it was super easy to find. However, if you don't wanna buy the white mocha syrup at the store, you can also get it on Amazon. The white chocolate chips is still gonna give you that white chocolate flavor. So no worries if you don't have it. All right, best part, we're going to pour the milk in now. You're supposed to hold it at an angle apparently. We're just gonna kind of get this going in here. I wanna try to do latte art on this. No, it was a nice thought, but no, it didn't happen today. Maybe later. Okay. Does anyone watching this video know how to do latte art? I need to know, because I have been trying to do it ever since I got this espresso machine. I've been taught how to do it before, and I have successfully done it like once in my life, but I can't for the life of me figure out how to do it anymore. So if there are any latte art aficionados watching this video, please let me know. I'd love to be your friend. Okay, white chocolate mocha is done. Let's give it a sip. Oh, wow. Okay, this drink is so smooth. Like, that's the first thing I thought of when it hit my tongue. That milk texture, we nailed it. Oh! Adding the white chocolate chips was such a good move. Oh, the flavor is so rich, but like not too strong and overpowerful. We are kicking this video off strong, my friends. Okay, we have lots more drinks to go though, so let's set this aside and keep moving on. Drink number 2 is the caramel macchiato. This was actually the first coffee drink that I had at Starbucks when I first started drinking coffee. It's just a classic, and I'm so glad that y'all wanted to learn how to make it because I do too. The first step is to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla syrup. I found this sugar-free French vanilla syrup at Target. I think it was like $4 maybe. So we're just gonna start with a little bit of this. Now for our milk, we're gonna do about 1 cup of milk, but again, on this little cup, I already have my line built in, so I'm just gonna fill it up to the line. Any kind of milk will work, but if you want that nice texture, I recommend using whole milk. Okay, great. Once your milk is texturized, you're gonna pour that into your mug on top of the vanilla syrup. All that creamy foam on the top, oh my goodness. Now we are gonna pull 2 shots of espresso. I'm thinking I should just open up my own little Starbucks right here. Welcome to my coffee shop. All right, now this is the fun part. We're gonna send this espresso straight down the milk. Here we go, woo! In through the middle. Oh, that was so satisfying. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then last but not least, it would not be a caramel macchiato without the caramel. So we are gonna give this a nice, generous drizzle. There we go. Right down the center. I'm gonna kind of do some swirlies. This is the most beautiful drink I think I've ever created. I wish y'all could see the top of this. I can't tilt it or else it'll dump everywhere, but it looks really pretty. Cheers. That, my friends, is a caramel macchiato. Okay, my iced Starbucks drinks have some stiff competition because both of these so far have been stellar. Oh, wow, okay. We gotta move along. We are never gonna get through this video. We are moving into our tea drinks now, and next we're gonna learn how to make the London Fog Latte. It's basically an Earl Grey tea latte with a little bit of vanilla, and it's the perfect drink when it's cold and rainy outside, and it's super easy to make. We're gonna start off by steeping the Earl Grey tea in some hot water. Okay, I just heated up some water in my mug about halfway, and then I'm going to put this tea bag in and let it steep while we make the milk. For this drink, we're using my cute little New Zealand mug. I used to live there for 6 months in college, and this mug just reminds me of all the happy memories. Okay, while this is steeping, we're gonna work on our milk. So in our little milk texturizer, again, if you don't have one of these espresso machines with the milk texturizer, you can also use one of these hand frothers, or you can use you can heat up the milk in a microwave safe dish and then mix it all up. Totally fine. We are going to do about 3/4 cup of whole milk. Now we're going to mix in about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Again, this is all up to your preference on sweetness. So if you just want to do 1 teaspoon, that's totally fine too. And then lastly, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give this a little mix. All right, now we're either gonna heat it up or use your milk texturizer. Our tea is all done steeping, so we can take this bag out now. And all we have to do is pour in our milk. Whoa, oh my gosh. Oh, we nailed it. Yes! Now, if you want to get really fancy, you could add some dried lavender on the top, but I don't have that, so we're all done. Let's take a sip. Cheers. Ooh, 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 I really like this. This is so hard to decide which one is my favorite because this is nice. I am not usually a big fan of tea lattes, but I would drink this on the regular. Okay, do me a favor, y'all need to make this one and let me know what you think because I'm a real big fan. The next tea drink we're going to make is the Starbucks special when you're feeling sick. It's the medicine ball. If you've never heard of the medicine ball, this is a pretty popular drink that people drink when they're feeling under the weather. For this, we're gonna combine 3/4 cup of lemonade with 3/4 cup of water. I'm using a sugar-free lemonade with 3/4 cup of water. And I'm just gonna go heat this up in the microwave. Okay, this is all heated up. Next, we're gonna add 1 bag of each peach tranquility tea and jade citrus mint tea. That is a tongue twister. Jade citrus mint. There we go. These are from the Teavana brand. I found these at Ralph's. You can get them at any grocery store. Super easy to find. We're just going to plop 1 bag each. We're gonna let them steep. This is probably the best smelling drink so far. All of these flavors are just so good for your sinuses. Hence why you would drink this when you're sick. This next ingredient is optional. It's just 1/8 of a teaspoon of peppermint extract. If you don't have this, don't go to the grocery store to buy it. It's really not necessary. You already have that mint flavor from the tea. This is just giving it a little bit extra of that peppermint flavor, but peppermint extract is super strong, so you're not gonna add a ton to begin with. So again, if you don't have it, don't worry about it, just leave it out. But I had it in my pantry, so I'm just gonna add a literal tiny drop of this. There we go. And then the last ingredient, easiest recipe ever, is some honey. You can do as much honey as you like. I'm just gonna do a little bit, maybe about a teaspoon. Yeah, buddy. I'm actually gonna set this to the side and let the tea bags steep while we start on our next drink. We'll taste it in just a minute, but we're gonna get started on our final drink, the salted caramel hot chocolate. This is a fan favorite. Let me know if you love the salted caramel hot chocolate. This is my mom's favorite drink because she doesn't like coffee. Mom, I know you're watching this video, so everybody say hi to my mom. Mom, we're making this drink for you. Salted caramel hot chocolate. I feel like this drink is good any time of year, so we're gonna learn how to make it today. So I'm reading online here, and at the Starbucks store, the salted caramel hot chocolate is steamed milk with mocha sauce, toffee nut sauce, vanilla syrups, and caramel and sea salt. I think we can do this better. I don't like all of the sauces in this, and like, who has toffee nut sauce? So Starbucks, I love you. We're gonna do an at-home recipe with ingredients that hopefully you already have in your pantry, and it's gonna taste just as good. So to get started, we're gonna put a handful of chocolate chips in the bottom of our mug. I love starting my drinks like this by putting a little something extra in the bottom, because once that hot liquid hits it, they melt and it gets super yummy. Now we are going to mix 1 cup of whole milk with 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. The heavy cream is gonna help make it nice and thick. Now before we heat it up, we're just gonna do about a pinch of salt, because it's salted caramel hot chocolate, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give this a little stir. Now either heat this up in the microwave, you can also do it on the stove in a little saucepan, or you can use a hand frother. I'm gonna use my espresso machine since I've already got it out. Okay, last thing before we pour our milk in, we need to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm just gonna put it straight into here. Make sure this gets mixed up really well. Now, either before or after you pour your hot chocolate into your mug, you can line your cup with caramel. You can also do it after you pour the chocolate in. I'm just gonna do a little drizzle right here so it hits the bottom. And then I'm gonna pour my hot cocoa in. Ooh, those little chocolate chips just started melting. Wow, oh wow, this looks so good. Let's give it 1 more good caramel drizzle, and then you all know the best part about hot chocolate is the whipped cream. Hopefully I've got enough left in this can. Let's see. Oh yes. So beautiful. And then everyone's favorite, caramel drizzle this way, and then you gotta go the other way and top it off with a little bit of sea salt. Oh my goodness. Okay, I feel like this video wins the award for most beautiful drinks. I never knew 5 hot drinks could look so good, but dang, this one is truly a work of art. Let's test it and see how it is. Oh wait, we gotta try our tea first. We gotta stay in order, Nicole. Okay, let me take these bags out. Well, I'm just gonna leave them in, I don't really care. Medicine ball tea, here we go. Oh, wow, wow, wow. This is like the ultimate comfort drink. And it's so light and fruity and citrusy. Like I can just feel, I feel fresher. And here we go with the hot chocolate. It's on my nose, isn't it? It's on my nose, I can feel it. Oh my gosh. Ah! Yum, yum, and yum. This is better than the one at Starbucks. Holy wow. Okay, You guys, we just leveled up. As a family, as a collective, we leveled up today. And I just wanna say thank you. I still have whipped cream on my nose, don't I? I just wanna say thank you for being here for it, to witness it. Like, we just made history on this channel. I think this is the best video I've ever done. So if you agree, would you please give it a big ol' thumbs up and comment below, because like, this was great. I never knew it could be so fun to make Starbucks drinks. Let's get them all lined up here, all my cute little mugs. Truly, you guys, I don't know which one is my favorite. They're all so good. I'm drinking most of this white chocolate mocha, but that's just because we made it first. I love the white chocolate mocha, but I also love this medicine ball tea, and like, hello, London Fog, did not see that coming. And then, how can you not like salted caramel hot chocolate? Like caramel macchiato, I'm sorry, I feel like you're getting left out. I really liked you too, but truly, all of these are so yummy. Here's the thing, I'm really loving this series, so if you're enjoying it too, please comment below what video I should do next. If you want me to do a part 3, maybe making some of your favorite drinks, or if you want me to go through the drive-thru at Starbucks and order some of your favorite things on the menu and do a little like try-on video in the car. That's not what they're called. That's okay. Let me know, because this is so fun. I hope you liked this video. It is so fun to create and develop recipes with you. Again, please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you next week. Bye.